this is Ocean. Today I'm going to teach you guys using keyboard shortcuts for Windows 10 that save you the most time when working in the window. Number 1. Create a virtual desktop. Press Windows key plus Ctrl plus D. It will switch to a new fresh desktop. Number 2. Switch between virtual desktops. Press Windows key plus Ctrl plus left or right arrow key. Then you can choose which patch of desktops you want. You can close it by pressing the Windows key plus Ctrl plus F4. Number 3. Open an app from the taskbar. If you want much faster access to your most used apps, consider keeping them on your taskbar. It will speed up your workflow even more if you use the following combination: the Windows key plus number key from 1 to 10. Number 4. Split screen between two apps. Want to see a magic trick? Try this. Open one app that you need for your work and press the Windows key plus left arrow. Then open another app and hit the Windows key plus right arrow. Now two windows are sharing your screen. Checking facts in your windows while looking directly at your source? No problem. Photoshopping while watching bright side videos? Haha, easy peasy. Number 5. Return to the desktop from app. Press Windows key plus M. You can return to the desktop from apps. You can also press Windows key plus comma to return to the desktop for a moment if you want to look at your desktop background. Number 6. Switch app. There are several ways to effectively shift from one app to another and to manage them on your desktop using hotkeys. By pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Tab, will show you all the apps currently running on your PC. Another way to open the task view, press Windows key plus Tab. Number 7. Program management and troubleshooting. Let's go through some trouble. Now listen carefully because you want to remember this one. Everyone has been there. One program is stuck and won't process anything. Even if you cry big or try to break it, to do so to avoid restarting your device and losing all your progress. Try using the following combo: Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. It will open the Task Manager, which will help you first quit any malfunctioning app or stop the ones that are not responding, losing some data from all of them. It is not the same as losing all your data from all of them. Number 8. Open File Explorer. Not all your apps need to be on hand all the time for you to work faster. Some of them are standard programs built into your computer, and there is a quick and convenient way to access them. Pressing Windows key plus E opens the File Manager window on your PC. Number 9. Use magnifier. Ever dream of becoming one of those TV detectives that can find anything on any picture, no matter how tiny the image is? You can totally do that on your computer. The Windows key combined with the plus or minus key will open the magnifier app, which allows you to zoom in and zoom out wherever you point your cursor. Number 10. Hack screenshots. Use the Windows key plus print screen to take a screenshot and immediately save it in